Welcome back. I just went not fidget shopping, Christmas present shopping, and I'm doing a haul. Don't worry, nobody that I am giving presents to watches my videos, especially not this channel. Well, some watch my videos, but they don't know about this channel. Huh? Sorry, my dad came, so I'm in a different room. First, okay, these are the ones I got for myself. It's a simple dimple, because why not? Yeah. And then, I haven't opened these, I'm very excited to open them. Pop tubes. I'm gonna open them right now. Okay. I'm gonna... That was pretty hard to pull, but it's fine. I was expecting it to pull much easier, but like it's really good. And I have 4 colors. Yeah, these are mine. And now for the gifts for other people. I got this poppet for Vera. She said to not call her V because she said that's weird. But yeah, it's Jumbo Poppet. I also got her a green and orange Wacky Track. I don't have a Wacky Track, I want one though, they're nice. I also got Vera a simple dimple. Yeah. I didn't get her 2, I just have 2. Oh, the bag is in the background. Ruins the aesthetic. Yeah. So this one's mine and this one's Vera's. Well, it doesn't really matter, but... Okay, that was all for Vera's. And I got somebody else a present. Other friends already have their present home, so I didn't go shopping for them today. So it's some from my in real life best friends. I can't say their name out loud, but it's a Harry Potter Lego because they love Harry Potter. Unfortunately, it's Slytherin, but they're Ravenclaw, but I couldn't find any other one. So yeah. That's all for the presents that I bought today. Oh wait, candy cane spoons. Not really a candy cane, but spoons. So, yeah, they're called candy cane spoons. I couldn't find the actual canes, but yeah, these are mine. I'm very happy with these pop tubes. I love them. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I might do another one of these videos with all the presents I'm giving people, but yeah, bye. Have a good day.